Feast your eyes on this Grand Design Lineage Series M 25FW. This one-of-a-kind motorhome sits on Mercedes 4500 Sprinter chassis. Outdoor entertainment features the 𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒊𝒍𝒂𝒃𝒍𝒆 sound system and this huge frameless motion sensor awning. Let's hop inside. You'll be in the lap of luxury with dimmable lighting and these huge recliners. Let's spin around to the kitchen with a large 12-volt refrigerator, 2-burner stove top with a convection microwave and multi-function chef sink. Here we go, right into the luxurious cockpit with the adaptive cruise control with auto braking, lane keep assist, and every adjustment available to make sure you are comfortable while driving this amazingly engineered coach. Come on back to this roomy bathroom with large shower, porcelain toilet, and lovely vanity area. Then there's this large closet that accompanies a king-size bed. You can travel in this lap of luxury lineage at Campers Inn RV, Merrimack, New Hampshire.